So winter weather's upon us, and I wanted to take a minute for new Jeep owners that own Wranglers, Gladiators. I wanted to show you how to put windshield washer fluid in your Jeeps because snow's right around the corner and these roads are gonna get nasty quick. And I want you to be able to do that. So I don't use any particular brand. I just picked this one up. I live in the Midwest, so it gets pretty cold. This goes down to -25, so I thought that'd be helpful. It won't freeze up when I really need it. So I'm gonna run out to the garage and show you guys how to do this now. All right, so we flip the hood back, or you can prop it, however you wanna do it. We're looking for this. This is your windshield washer reservoir. And we just pop it up. It gives us access to it. All right, so once you get the cap off, it's gonna be sealed like this. Just poke a hole in it. And most of us don't have a funnel on hand, so we're just gonna pour it. It's not gonna hurt anything if you spill a little bit. Just go slow. We're just gonna pour it right in the hole. Until it's full. All right, once it's full, we close it back up, then you're done. I know this is a simple video, but some new Jeep owners don't know where this is. It's a brand new vehicle to them. Maybe they came out of a car or a truck. It's just all new. So I just want to, hopefully this is helpful for you. Plus winter is coming, the roads are gonna get nasty. We just want to make sure you have a safe ride home. So remember, washer fluid's here. When it runs out, just keep pouring it in. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.